medtech in the future is not about a single academic discipline. It's not about a biologist, or it's not about a clinician, it's not about an engineer, it's not about a computer scientist. It's about all of those people coming together to create a new medtech product.
I think Leeds City Region has something unique to offer, and we can really provide some leadership for medtech in the UK and perhaps even globally. The universities in the Leeds City Region have a really strong tradition of research excellence in medical technologies.
We've got one of the biggest teaching hospital trusts in the country. We've got a Russell Group University on our doorstep. The opportunity to interact with both of those organisations, especially early on in product development, is fantastic.
We have a really strong cluster of medical technology companies in the Leeds City Region, particularly small and medium enterprises, but we also have some larger groups like Depew.
We've got NHS Digital here based in Leeds, a very good AHSN, Academic Health Science Network.
So we're looking at where we've got at the moment, I think, concentrations of real talent in this area. How can we turn that into a cluster? Start off with Leeds and then actually grow that beyond the boundaries of Leeds, and how do we take that forward?
The data output from the Science Innovation Audit for the government in medical technology is showing that the Leeds City Region is really a centre of excellence, not just in an academic sense. 22% of the digital health jobs in the UK are in the Leeds City Region. And remember, that's the city region that has 5% of the UK population. So outperforming the average by factors of 3 and 4.
The best thing about Leeds is there's a really strong research base, there's a really strong industry base, and there's a really strong base in bridging that gap through translational stuff like the Innovate work and the Translate work.
Across the Leeds City Region, with academics, with industry, with clinicians, I think we can build a medtech cluster beyond the concentration of expertise that we have now.
That is able to work together and is able to pull in international funding, providing more opportunities and providing a much better, clearer pathway.
We could potentially offer more jobs, greater employment, and help to reduce that productivity gap.
We want to look at ways of creating a centre of excellence for clinical evaluation of early stage medical devices. And of course, we want to keep reinforcing our excellence in fundamental science and engineering, which is underpinning all of this.
The Leeds City Region is a success story, and if we can draw the entire region together, I think it's a really good time and an exciting time to move forward.
We need to innovate, we need to be smarter about how we care for patients, we need to keep them out of hospitals, diagnose them early, manage them outside in their homes and keep the costs down. If we can bear all those things in mind and work with those ideas in mind, we can do some good.